All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol IDEX, Ideanomics Inc. And before I get started, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is, if you learn something new, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, find it helpful, find it informative, hit the like button, but don't just hit it because of that. That's a way for you to notify me that you watched this video, and I always appreciate that. Also, comment down below any information you would like to share, anything that you would like to piggyback off of what I state. I encourage that. I'm a big supporter in that. I appreciate that when you guys go out of your way to do that, not just for commenting into the video, but allowing other investors to receive information that is further more than just the stock chart analysis. You guys hit other investors and viewers with news. You tell them projections of a company. You tell them what's going on, if I may have overlooked it, or you go ahead and talk about what you're also seeing in the chart that lines up with what I'm stating and so forth. I always appreciate that. I do want to say thank you to all of you that do that. And also, I love it when you guys engage in conversation down below in regards to information on the stock or your positions or your thoughts and so forth. For anybody that's asking too, don't be scared to ask questions or like, why did this happen or why is that happening? And somebody's always going to have the answer. If I don't have it, someone will at least give you some type of information. And I always appreciate that. I can't stress that enough from all of you. But as long as it's valuable and it's meaningful, I appreciate that. Like I really do. That's the point of this channel, for all of us to maximize profits, minimize losses, right? And go ahead and learn and grow together. Always. That's my intended purpose here, and that's what I want to build. And I want to build a community with all of you when it comes to investing. So let's go ahead and see this. So from this level off, right, that happened on its own, and the Bears just, you could tell they were exhausted. There was a small jump, and then the Bears came strong, and then I guess from that point forward, the Bulls said, no, we can't let the Bears continue, or this price is, or a lot of the Bulls were like, this price is great, and it skyrocketed, right? But this level off is what created that opportunity to come about. But just as fast as this happened, the Bears appeared, right? And there was a slight level off. And then support levels were broken, right? It was broken through, and then a small U-shaped level off, and then it was brought back up, trying to test the resistance level. It didn't get close to it, and it fell right back down, and now it leveled off. So this is going to be very interesting to see how it plays out on Monday, right? But I do want us to pay attention to certain cues according to how this stock behaved, right, before, and how it's going to possibly behave in the near future. So I would state that this is a key important resistance level, but I want to zoom in more than that. But I want you guys to write that down, and that's 149. If that resistance level is broken through, this could start a bullish run. Use it as support, use 149 as support, and then continue, right? So that's a very important point, and it could do the turnaround. Apart from that, there's another point that needs to be broken, and that's obviously the 50-day moving average, but I'm going to talk about that in just a second. So the true resistance level is a little bit lower than that, and the 50-day moving average is 144, right? 144 needs to be broken so that the Bulls can come back and turn this one around. Obviously, the Bears have brought them below the 50-day moving average, causing this to become a bearish chart. Now, how much more bearish could it be? That all depends honestly on one factor. If the support level is broken and the bulls can't bring this one back. So this closed out at 140 and the support level is 138. Okay. If the bears break through that, not necessarily have they destroyed this chart or they're completely in control, but they are gaining control, that's for sure. And they break through it and bring it down to these levels. If the bulls don't appear or try their best to rally up, the bears are gaining control, pulling this one away from the 50-day moving average. This is already below it. Breaking through the support level and falling into this range is just more confirmation of it being bearish. So that's something to pay close attention to. The next thing is the resistance level. This is the key resistance level way up here, right? 149. And the first resistance level that needs to be used as support to continue to work its way up is 143. If 143 is able to be broken and used as support, it's 1 cent away from the 50-day moving average. This chart can turn around. It'll break through the support. I mean, the new support actually, but the resistance level. Use it as support. Break through the 50-day moving average. If it's only 1 cent away, if it maintains itself up there, start to look bullish, right, by the charts, right? And from that moment forward, it has to focus on the main resistance level, and that's 149. If 149 does get broken and that resistance level is used as support, the bulls can start a rally or continue to rally their way up through new resistance levels. So that's something to keep in mind. That's something to pay close attention to. And we're definitely going to have to see how this one plays out on Monday. It's going to be very interesting. And as always, if you learn something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And share this with your friends and community, your group chats, people that are in stocks, that aren't in stocks, so that they can receive this insight as well. For all of my viewers that are just spectating, your chance to start participating is now. You can hit the subscribe button so you can get notified because I post daily videos. Thank you so much for watching.